Hi guys, in this video I will be show you how you can create the moving text using a keyframe in CapCut PC. Alright, add the text, select the alt text and change the text for example. And change the color text. Alright, how to make the moving text? You can scroll down. So on the position and size option, you can select the keyframe, just click and swipe to the right on the clip and just for the position, swipe to the right again and move the position, move the position, swipe to the right until finish the video. So you can move the text as you like. Alright, and this is the final result. Yeah, it's so simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.